If you had just $100 and you wanted to turn it into something serious, this is exactly how I do it trading gold. Not guessing, not gambling, but using a system that already tells you when to enter, where to exit, and exactly how much to risk. And here's the crazy part. One of my students turned $500 into $10,000 in a single day. So if that's possible in one day, what do you think is possible in 90? In this video, I'm going to break down exactly how I'd approach flipping a small gold account using a structured system, real data, and proper risk management. I'll show you the exact setup, the numbers behind it, and the tools I use so you can actually understand what's happening rather than just copying trades blindly. Everything you're seeing here revolves around my TradingView indicator, Neo Reloaded. This isn't just another signal tool. Neo Reloaded shows you exactly when to buy or sell. It gives you your stop loss, your take profit for a one-to-one risk to reward setup, and it even defines your risk per trade. So instead of guessing or overthinking entries, you're following a structured system that removes a lot of the emotional decision-making. But the most important part, and what makes this different, is the statistics. Neo Reloaded shows you the real win rate, the total number of trades that win rate is based on, and also the maximum winning streak and losing streak. So when I say something like a 58.66% win rate, that's not a guess. It's backed by real historical data that the indicator has tracked. That means everything you're about to see in this video is grounded in actual performance, not theory. Now let's look at what happens when you apply that edge properly. On screen right now, you can see an equity curve. This is what a small account can look like when you combine consistent execution, fixed risk, and compounding. We're starting with $100, risking 26.85% per trade, using a one-to-one risk to reward, and a win rate of around 58.66%. At first glance, it looks crazy, but let me break it down simply. Every single trade either increases the account by 26.85% or decreases it by the same amount. That's it. There's no complicated scaling or hidden tricks, just consistent risk applied over and over again. Now look at this early section of the curve. You can see it's pretty flat and even dips slightly. That's the losing streak. And this is important because a lot of people think trading is just constant growth. It's not. Losing streaks are normal, expected, and actually built into the system. Neo Reloaded even shows you the maximum losing streak so you know what to expect before you even take a trade. But then look what happens after that. Once the winning streak kicks in, the curve starts to accelerate. And this is where most people underestimate compounding. It doesn't feel like much at the beginning, but once the account starts to grow, every win becomes significantly larger in dollar terms. That's why you see this sudden explosion upwards. It's not luck, it's math. Now, I do need to be completely real with you here. This is not easy, and it's definitely not smooth. Broker conditions play a role. Spread on gold can affect your entries and exits. Lot sizing might be slightly different depending on your broker and leverage. So before you even think about going live with something like this, you need to test it. Run it on a demo account for at least a week. Make sure your lot sizes match what you expect. Make sure your results are close to what you see here. Because the last thing you want to do is jump in without understanding how your specific broker behaves. This is where the tools come in. Let me show you exactly what's happening behind the scenes. On screen now, you can see the trade tracker. This is what actually powers the numbers. It's extremely simple. You just enter whether the trade was a win or a loss and adjust your stop loss for that trade. That's it. Once you do that, everything else updates automatically. It calculates your balance before the trade, the exact risk amount, the profit or loss, your new balance, and even the lot size you should have used for that trade. So you're not manually figuring anything out. The system does it for you. Then we have the planner. This is where things get really powerful. The planner lets you test different scenarios before you even trade. You can adjust the win rate, change the risk per trade, and see how long it would take to reach your goal. So instead of just hoping something works, you're actually planning it out with numbers. And when you combine this with Neo Reloaded, everything becomes mechanical. You're not sitting there wondering if a trade is good or bad. The indicator gives you the setup, the tracker manages the numbers, and the planner shows you the bigger picture. Your job is just to execute. If this is making sense so far, make sure you like the video, subscribe, and hit the bell notification because I'm going to be breaking down more strategies like this and showing you exactly how I approach the markets. Now back to the setup. The key thing to understand is that this is not about being right all the time. With a win rate of around 58%, you're still losing a significant number of trades. The edge comes from the combination of that win rate, the consistent risk, and the compounding effect over time. And remember what I said earlier. One of my students turned $500 into $10,000 in a single day. That shows you what's possible when everything lines up perfectly. So over a longer period, like 90 days or more, this kind of structured approach becomes very powerful. Neo Reloaded itself is a one-time payment of 100 Great British Pounds. That's lifetime access. No subscriptions, no recurring fees, and it gives you everything you need to follow this kind of system consistently. At the end of the day, this comes down to discipline. You can have the best indicator, the best tracker, and the best plan, but if you don't follow it properly, none of it matters. The people who succeed with this are the ones who stick to the rules, accept the losses, and let the system play out over time. If you want everything I used in this video, all the links are in the description below. That includes Neo Reloaded, the trade tracker, and the planner, so you can test this for yourself. This is exactly how I'd approach flipping a small gold account. The only real question is, can you stay consistent long enough to let it work? Easy.